Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I give you education, inspiration, and motivation. In today's video, I'm gonna start off by saying that I had to re-record this intro part because I'm sitting down editing and I don't know where it went. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you what it's like to work in a bank from start to finish, from the time that you clock in to the time that you clock out. I did generalize it to what a teller does, but if you have applied for something different, like a loan officer, supervisor, whatever it is inside of a branch, it's going to look the same, just you're going to be obviously doing what your job description entails. But I just wanted to kind of give a general idea because I know people are usually interested if they're looking to apply somewhere, have applied somewhere, and they have not started yet. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see every single time that I upload a video. And that's all I have. The rest of the video, I am sitting down in front of my camera and my lights. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, so this is really just gonna be like, what is my job gonna be looking like on a daily basis from start to finish, from the time that I get into the office to the time that I leave. I'm gonna generally talk about like what a teller does, but also if you work at a branch inside of a bank, credit union, whatever, inside of an office, working in branch operations, the routine is kind of going to be looking the same. It's just the part of the membership or like the customers that you're helping might look a little bit different. So let's just generalize it to tellers. So first thing is you come in to open. So if you're an opening teller, then you're going to open with a supervisor or whoever is the second person who's supposed to be opening with you, and you're just going to get everything out for the day that you need, whatever that looks like for your branch, because different branches do different things, but pretty much you're going to get the branch open. That's the first thing. If you're not opening that day, then you're just going to come in. You're going to get logged into your systems, get clocked in. Sometimes it takes about 5 minutes for your computer to come up because they usually reset overnight. So you're going to go to your teller station, get clocked in, pull up all your systems that you're going to use for the day, maybe grab some coffee, like get settled in for the day. And then once you're open, you're going to wait until somebody comes up to your station to get help. So if there's just a few people coming in or whatever, of course you want to greet them and have them come up to your station or whatever. If it's multiple people coming in all at once, then they're going to form a line, and all the tellers who you're helping or who you're working with are going to start pulling from the line and just start helping the customer or the member, depending on if you work at a bank or a credit union. And you're going to start running your transactions. Whatever it is that the person in front of you needs. So if you're not familiar with what kind of transactions you're going to be running, as a teller, you do very basic transactions. So like deposits, withdrawals, loan payments. Sometimes people might need certain things printed off. So if somebody asks you for a bank statement or their transaction history, if they need a loan payoff so that they can pay off their loan and they want to know like how much interest is going to accrue if I pay it off on this day, you might have to pull up something like that. You may have to process a wire, but anything beyond what you don't know, you'll have a supervisor there who you can ask for help. Normally, banks or credit unions are up to date, so you would have a cash machine that like spits out your money and then it receives money. So that's a good thing to where it kind of like minimizes mistakes that you can make with counting. So that's really, really nice. And there's other things that you'll be doing, and we're gonna get into that part of the extra stuff that you'll do while you're at work. Okay, so things that you'll be doing that is not like transaction based is like if somebody comes up to you and they actually are needing help with a loan or opening an account or something like that, then you're going to get them with a loan officer. Sometimes there's systems where you can sign them in, or you'll walk over to a loan officer and let them know what the person needs. You set them in the lobby, and then they wait until they get helped from someone who is on the loan officer side. You'll be checking your emails throughout the day. You always want to make sure you're checking it, because someone could be reaching out to you and they're needing a response from you. You'll be offering products throughout your transactions. If you see someone is keeping too much money in a certain account and they would benefit from opening a savings account so that they can start earning interest on their money, you could offer them that. Usually what that looks like is you offer it. If they say yes, then you would get them with a loan officer, someone who can open the account for them. So you're just like the front facing part of the branch. People are going to come up to you first normally, and then if it's a transaction you can help them with, cool. If not, then you're finding solutions for them, whether it's a referral for something that needs to be done in the back office, or if it's someone on the loan officer side who can help them, or if you need to get your supervisor because it's something that you don't know what to do, then that's an option also. And then you're gonna take a lunch and repeat. That's pretty much your day-to-day. And then if you close, usually a branch is gonna want everyone to pitch in on closing. That's, obviously if you're not part-time and you're there until the end of the day, then everybody's going to be a helping hand to close the branch. Sometimes you just leave at the end of your shift and the branch will schedule a specific closer with the supervisor or whoever. It's usually 2 people closing at a time or more. So, and then you put everything away, make sure it's locked up safely, and you get out of there and you repeat. So working in a bank is pretty cool. It's like repetitive, but it's fun. Like, you have a lot of downtime. Obviously there might be trainings you have to go to, or like assignments that you have to do to keep up on regulations, because things are forever changing. And but for the most part, that's what your day-to-day would be looking like. I really hope this video helped. Hi, me again. So I don't know what happened to the end part of my video. I don't know what happened to this video, but I do still feel like it was a good one. I feel like I didn't say too much that was not really necessary. I tried to make it a quick video so it's easy to listen to, easy to understand, easy to visualize. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say thank you guys for watching this video. I will be back with more. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.